Hello, YouTube fans. How are you today? Well, I'm doing pretty good myself today. What about you? Well, I want to apologize because I've been super busy with taking my decorations down, holiday decorations, Christmas stuff. Been doing late vlogs, and I noticed I'm been running out of time to do these vlogs because everything sometimes is a small blog instead of a larger blog like I normally do. But this time we do got somewhat of the unboxing for you today. We're going to be unboxing this brand new knife kit, multi-tool, and on a knife kit as well. Now, I also got this again for Christmas as well. Um, but let's now got to the time to unbox it. And yes, I like the idea of having multi-tools and sometimes knives as well, because they're very good, handy tools to have. You can see, that's what she looks like. Flip over, and there's some of the on instructions. Now, this here is called a clamshell package, and it's really tough to open with a pair of scissors. What I normally do, so I just use my Huxley Varna knife here. It's a box cutter stuff to open these type of packaging. Now, if you want, you can always save the packaging or show the packaging away, but for me, I'm just going to end up showing it away anyways, because there's really no warranty on these that much. And I noticed I don't get like a host or a sheath with these, because normally when you buy them like this, you normally don't get a whole lot for them. But let's go ahead and get the unboxing done for it. And yes, I've been super busy, like, just on day life and day things and things. I had a nice holiday. I really enjoy doing the things I normally do. And of course, my blade is dull as heck. Trying to open this clamshell package. Now, all it is just plastic. That's what it really is. That's with anything nowadays, because this is what you use. Now, again, you can recycle this plastic as well for saving the planet. Be better to recycle instead of throwing it away. Man, what tough would it open? Holy. Alright. Put it off to the side. Up. Like that. What I really like about these are called multi-tools. It has multi-style tools in them. Now, again, these are not high quality tools like you get a Leatherman style tool or anything. But yeah, this is kind of cool. This one has all sorts of different things. It also has a cork opener. That's pretty cool. Nail file, I think, or whatever that one is. These are kind of nice to have. You can see that. I got a knife. Let's look at the tools. It has different style saws, and then it has a pair of scissors. Different types of can openers. And they're very tough to get open. And these I like the most because these actually have pliers. Very nice design on those. And it also has a couple on bits and bolts inside of it as well. I'm just showing you what it looks like. that's a nice multi-tool setup. Alright, if you are very new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Please like, please share, peace out, bye guys. Well, please see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Have a nice day.